Hello everyone, how are you guys? I hope you guys all are well. So today I gonna show you how to download any kind of apps in your PC or laptop. So these apps all are cracked version. If you need to official it, you need must be pay for premium apps. So all premium apps you will get free. Okay. So let's go to the point. First of all, we need to go Google Chrome. So I gonna Google Chrome. Okay, in the search bar, I going to write getintopc.com. So I wrote getintopc.com. Get into pc.com. Okay, so I press the enter. So you guys can see there is lot of link. Okay, so I go to first of all link. Okay, this is the get into PC official website. Okay, so here is a lot of apps. If you guys need any kind of apps, you can search. This is the right here the search bar. You can write if you need any kind of apps, whatever you like, you can write here. Okay, so I just write here Camtasia for video editing. Okay, Camtasia and go. So search result for Camtasia 70. Okay, I don't know how much here. So here is a lot of Camtasia. I just saw now. Camtasia 2020 free download. Tag Smith Camtasia 2021 free download. Camtasia 2020 free download. Camtasia 2019 free download. Download Camtasia 2019 for Mac. Oh, that's good. So if you guys use Mac laptop or PC, you guys use this Camtasia for Mac. Okay, Camtasia 2018 free download. Okay, I gonna download the first one. This is latest. Okay, 2020. Okay, click the link. So this is the page for download. Okay, about the Camtasia 2020, they are wrote about Camtasia. You guys can read this sentence, or here also have some uh, terms and condition which feature will get. Okay, so before installing software, you must watch this installation guide video. Okay, so this is the download link, download 16-bit. Okay, so you guys need to watch first one 35-second video how to install the apps. Okay, for beginner, if you guys are beginner, so this crack version, you guys if you guys doesn't know how to install the crack version, so you guys need to watch this video first. Okay, this is the 35-second video. Okay, they provide guideline how to install any kind of apps like this for Camtasia. Okay, so let's go our page. So here you can download. I have already downloaded the Camtasia, so no need to download again. So you guys need to download, come this page and download it as you like. You can download your apps. Okay, so also this Camtasia for even need to password. Okay, password 123. That's it. So I hope you guys watching my video, and I hope this video will be help you guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will come back with another topic. See you again. Bye.